If your legs are tingling, burning, or keeping you up at night, this might be the only video you need to watch today. Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing Arialief, a nerve support supplement that's been creating serious buzz, especially among people dealing with sciatic nerve pain and neuropathy. I gave it a real shot, and here's what happened. So what exactly is Arialief? It's a premium nerve health formula made with 100% natural ingredients, like magnesium glycinate, alpha lipoic acid, turmeric, L-carnitine, and this interesting proprietary blend called PrimePalm. Arialief works on multiple levels. It reduces nerve inflammation, improves blood flow, and supports nerve repair. You're not just masking the pain, you're supporting healing from the inside out. I personally noticed less numbness in my feet within a week. By the third week, my sleep improved, the burning sensation was almost gone, and I felt more energetic, like I wasn't dragging through the day anymore. It's made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility in the US, and it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and free of harmful chemicals. Plus, there's a 180-day money-back guarantee. Yes, 6 months. Now, it's not a magic pill. It won't fix everything overnight. But if you're dealing with nerve discomfort or sciatica, Arialief is one of the best natural solutions I've come across. I've dropped the link below for the official Arialief site. Don't buy it on third-party sites. There are a lot of fakes floating around. If you're ready to feel real relief, give it a try. For product link, check the bio link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.